Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the Millennium Cricket League, where Princeton Cricket Club, Challengers, and NJ Sluggers locked horns in an electrifying F40 League Division A clash.
Today's narrative is set for a classic tale, with the Challengers choosing to stride into battle wielding their willows first in this epic encounter.
Let us take a moment to applaud our event advertisers for bringing this spectacle to life. Every boundary hit and wicket taken was thanks to their support.
DifGen Pharmaceuticals, delivering boundary-breaking generics with the power of a Master Blaster 6, and the Park Special, offering a feast like champions with delicacies that are second to none.
A rollercoaster of a match indeed, marked by Laxman's blistering century and Vishrut's explosive knock. The Challengers set a daunting score. The Sluggers' chase was valiant, but ultimately they fell short in a match trimmed by the whims of the weather gods.
Indeed, the Challengers' innings was a canvas of strategic brilliance, and the Sluggers' spirited chase painted the second act. But it was the interruption from the rain and the DL method that played the final, decisive stroke in this gripping cricketing saga.
The tale of the first innings was one of a mighty partnership between Laxman and Vishrut, propelling the Challengers to a formidable summit.
It was a chess match of cricket with the Sluggers' bowlers maneuvering for breach, only to find their efforts eclipsed by the towering partnership.
The Sluggers, refusing to cower, embarked on a fierce pursuit, stitching together partnerships that kept the chase alive until the skies intervened.
The Challengers' bowlers, led by Vishrut, weaved a web around the Sluggers, claiming crucial wickets at pivotal moments, tilting the scales in their favour.
Laxman Nyamagoda's breathtaking century and Vishrut Kannan's whirlwind 81 set the stage, while Vishrut also shone with the ball, a true all-round display.
Their heroics crafted the match arc, from Laxman's commanding presence at the crease to Vishrut's dual mastery, both were architects of the victory.
The Challengers emerged victorious by 14 runs, their total proving just out of reach for the Sluggers, the DL method confirming their fate.
A triumph marked by strategy, skill, and perhaps a touch of fortune with the weather, leaving the Sluggers to reflect on what might have been. As in the annals of cricket, this match too will be etched as a clash of tactics and resilience, a narrative echoing through the league.
In the end, it was a match that underscored cricket's volatile charm, leaving us reminiscing Laxman's century and pondering the implications for matches to come.